Hi and welcome to the channel. Louis made a request for VF Corporation, so let's take a look. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. A market cap of $12 billion, the current stock price is 31.75 and they operate in the textiles, apparel and luxury goods industry. VF Corp has brands like Vans, The North Face and Supreme. During the last 10 years, VF Corp has greatly underperformed the S&P 500. This is with dividend reinvested. And it has been extremely weak, especially the last year or so. Now for some financial data. The annual sales growth has been 7.1% the last 5 years, extremely strong. The earnings per share has been 11.3%. This is also extremely good. The analyst expects some weaker earnings, further on though only about 2.2%. The return on capital has been 11%. It's okay but not great, so that's an X. And they don't have that much free cash flow currently, so the debt compared to the free cash flow is extremely high. Now some yielding data. The dividend yield is up at 6.3% almost, and yeah, this is because the stock price plummeting pushing up the dividend yield, and the dividend yield was quite high already at the normal valuation. So the buyback yield is 1.67%. The payout ratio is about 66%, and the dividend growth rate is about 4.8%. VF Corp is almost a dividend king. They have been raising this dividend for 48 consecutive years. All in all, this makes up for a score at 6 out of 10, which is a bit mediocre. Let's check out the valuation in fast graphs. Here we can see VF Corp in fast graphs. The orange line is the earnings, the white line is the dividend yield. And if we go back to 2007-2008, the recession, they fared quite well for it to be an apparel and luxury goods brand. After that, they had extremely consistent earnings growth. Then it plateaued a bit and they didn't fare well at all during the disease. And now their guidance for the earnings has been lowered, and this is why the stock price is plummeting. If we compare their normal PE, which is about 19, to the current stock price, we can project out to mid-2024 and look at an annual rate of return over 50%. So this might be a good time to pick up some VF Corp if you believe in the company long term. Please hit the like button and also watch my latest video how my dividend portfolio did in September, including my dividends received. See you soon!